Hello, now we will solve the following exercise using the Python language. Right, it's a Python program with a function that will receive any quantity of integer numbers from the user. The function will stop receiving numbers when the user inserts the number 0, and the function will return all the numbers received as a list. Okay, as always, the code and the exercise list is in the description of the video, and if you like, subscribe. Well, we will have to make a function, so let's separate a space to organize better our code here. The function will be implemented here, and the meaning of the program will be down below. Okay, let's define, use def. Def is the declaration of function, def, define. And let's name our function. Okay, receive inputs. Pretty suggestive name. Now, we will have to return these numbers as a list because the exercise asks as the output to be a list, the return to be a list. So let's create an empty list here called our list, which will be an empty list. And let's use a infinite loop, a while loop, which will be infinite because the condition will be always true, just to repeat what we want to do until a certain condition inside has been met. And why I'm doing this? Because we do not know how many numbers we will receive. So we put an infinite while, and inside the while we put a condition to end it. Okay, so first we have to receive the number. Okay, our current number will be an integer because the function asks for a list of integers, which will be an input for the user, and we ask, please insert a number. 0 to stop. Perfect. Now we check. Okay, let's check if the number is 0, because if the number is 0, then we have to return the list as it is. We will not receive any more numbers. So if our current number is 0, then we stop the function and return the list that we currently have. If that's not the case, we just append the current number to our list. And that should be it for the function. Well, just to remind you, append will add an element to the end of the list. So if we have a list like 1, 4, 5, and we append the number 6, the number 6 will come here. Okay, so in order to test the function, let's go to our main. Let's create L, which will receive the return of receive inputs, which is our function, and let's print the list L that we just received. Okay, let's test. 8, 9, 7. Okay, oh, I forgot to insert the number here. Sorry, let's go again. 8, 9, 6, 5, 7, 0. Now, after I press enter, the function will return the list to our main down below, and the program should stop and should print the list. Perfect. Let's just check the numbers if they are okay. 8, first number inserted, okay. 9, second number inserted. 6, third number inserted. 5, fourth number inserted. 7, fifth number inserted, and 0, stop the function. And that is it. Thank you.